Hello friends, this is Coach Veer again on my YouTube channel Coach Veer, and today we are going to solve this logarithmic expression, and the answer is 1, but it's quite difficult to get that answer by the algebraic manipulations. Let's see how we can apply the logarithmic properties. If you don't know the logarithmic properties, I have made it a previous video based on the logarithm. You can check that out. Basic log properties are there. Okay, just for a review, if you are a new viewer, I am just going to tell you few problems. Like if log a base a is there, it's equal to 1, and log is defined for only positive values of x, you can say. And another property which you are going to use here is the a b. If they are in multiply, you can write it as log a plus log b. In divide, then it is in subtraction, and if it is in the power, it can come. How we can solve this part, we need to leave it like this: 1 plus 2 log cube 2. I'm just making it inside the bracket, that 3 is in the base. 1 plus log base 3 to the 2 whole square. What we can play trick here is, how can we make this 2 as something which is related with the base 3? We need base 3. So there is a trick, like log 6 base, we can write it as 6 by 3, which is 2 only. So that's how I got 3. And you can see, if we cancel this, we again reaches to the same place. But as they are in the division, we can apply the property that log a by b is equal to log a minus log of b with the same basis. Okay, so here this part I am leaving as same. 1 plus log base 3 2 whole square plus, in this part what we can do here is, we can write it as log 6 base 6 minus of log 6 base 3, and we need, this is going to become 1. Okay, so this part we can write as 1 plus 2 log, we are not shifting this part or doing any manipulation here, because base 3 is evident and we can find it. So in this part we can write it as 1, and negative of, we can write it in this way. You can make this base as 3 and this as 6, and 6 again can be written as 2 into 3, correct? So I am writing it as 2 into 3. And you know why I have written it as 2 into 3, because then again I can do some manipulations. 1 plus log of base 3 2 whole square. Bear with me, we are reaching to the answer very soon. And this thing you can see, we can write as log of base 3. They are in the multiplication, so I can write them as 2 into 3 or 3 into 2. That's not a problem. So I am writing this 3, and this thing as in plus log of base 3 and 2. Now what else you are seeing? What else we are missing? We miss the square. Yes, this square is already there. So here this is going to become 1. Now 1 plus 2 log of 3 base 1 plus log of base 3 2 whole square plus, here I think we can do the LCM part. This is going to become 1 plus log of 3 base 2 only, and this part is negative 1, having a common denominator as 1 plus log of 3 base 2, which is same as that side also. And what we are doing here, we can see minus 1 and plus 1 is getting cancelled, so we are left with this much part, and having the denominator same, let's take the denominator as common. 1 plus log of 3 base 2 whole square, and this part 1 plus 2 times of log 3 base 2. Up here you can see we are left with only plus log of 3 whole square. This thing has squared. So here a square, 1 square we can write a square plus b square plus 2ab formula we can apply, and simply we got 1 plus log of 3 base 2 whole square by 1 plus log of 3 base 2 whole square, and this is getting cancelled, and we got the answer as 1. Hope this is clear to you, and if you want a quick review, just I will show you what I have done. So here you can see, first I have changed this 2 as 6 by 3, and then I separated it with this property. After that, this is being in the denominator and change the base. Now this 6 is written as 2 into 3 and applied the plus property. Then 3 base 3 is going to become 1, so I put it here 1, and this all things like this. Now these both have the same denominator, and we can apply in the formula a square plus b square plus 2ab, and the numerator and denominator both are same. We can cancel that and reach to the answer 1. Thank you for watching this, friends. See you in my next video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. That's pretty much required. Thank you. See you. Bye bye.